everyone. Standard 9th Algebra, chapter number 1 sets. I'm going to explain practice set 1.1. I'm going to solve all the questions. Before that, if you want to know what is a set and what are the methods of writing set, for that the video is already uploaded and the link is given in the description below. So as you can see, मैंने यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लिखा है. This is from practice set 1.1 टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 3 and 4. So ये हम सॉल्व करेंगे वन बाय वन. राइट द फॉलोइंग सेट्स इन रोस्टर फॉर्म. तो रोस्टर फॉर्म क्या होता है? रोस्टर फॉर्म इज़ अ लिस्टिंग मेथड. ओके, इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज लिस्टिंग मेथड. जैसे कि मैंने पहले बोला है कि इसका वीडियो रोस्टर फॉर्म और रूल मेथड ये दोनों एक्सप्लेन किया गया है वो वीडियो में. सो यू ऑल कैन वॉच दैट वीडियो. So the first one is set of even natural numbers. So we have to write down in roster form. Roster form means, roster form is also known as listing method. roster method का दूसरा नाम है listing method. So यहाँ पे set of even natural numbers we have to write down. So the first rule for writing set is we have to consider a name. So we'll name this as A, set A. And the second rule is to represent in curly bracket. Now we have to write down set of even natural numbers. So now what are even and what are natural numbers? Natural number starts from 1, correct? 1 से start होता है and it should be natural and it should be even. So we'll start with 2. The smallest even natural number 2 है. Then 4. Always remember, हर एक एलिमेंट जो भी हम लिखते हैं इट शुड बी सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमास. देन 6, 8, 10 एंड इन्फिनाइट. राइट, यहाँ पे उन लोगों ने लिमिटेशंस नहीं दिया है. दे आर ओनली आस्किंग अस टू राइट डाउन द सेट ऑफ इवन नेचुरल नंबर्स. सो विल स्टॉप ओवर हियर. दे आर इन्फिनाइट. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड वन, सेट ऑफ इवन प्राइम नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 50. So you will consider this set as B. You can consider any alphabet. The condition, we have to see the condition. So it should be even and it should be prime numbers and it should be between 1 to 50. So let us see what are even and prime numbers from 1 to 50. So the only even and prime number from 1 to 50 is 2. Because if you see, 2 is even as well as prime. Prime, the only factor of 2 is 2 and 1. So that is what is a prime number. Rest all other numbers from 1 to 50 are composite numbers. So that is why 2 is the only number which is even and prime. Now set of negative integers. Now what are negative integers? ये number line तो सबको पता है, correct? So towards the right hand side we have positive numbers and towards the left hand side of the 0 we have negative numbers. So we have to write down set of negative integers. So we'll consider it as I. So we'll name this set as I. I stands for integers. Now we have to write down set of negative integers. So we'll start with -1, -2, -3, -4 and infinite. Because they are infinite, there is no condition कि -7 तक लिखना है या less than 10 लिखना है या less than -8 लिखना है. So that means they are infinite. Next, 7 basic sounds of Sargam. That means so. So we'll name this set as S. So the 7 basic sounds are Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. So 7 basic sound लिखने हैं. That means Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. So you all must be wondering why I did not write one more Sa over here. Because the rule is none of the elements in a set are repeated. Sa अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखती so ये 2 times हो जाता, which is not correct. We are not supposed to repeat the elements in a set. So we'll write it only once. So I hope you must have understood this question number 1. Next is question number 2. Before we start with question number 2, I want you all to understand some basic terms. These are the sets. That means set I, always these are the confirmed name of the set. I stands for set of integers, N stands for natural numbers, then W for whole numbers, Q for rational numbers, and R for real numbers. Okay, so that means if you see here in this question number 2, we have set Q and set N. The reason behind making you all understand this is that here in question number 2, we have set Q and set N. Set Q represents the rational numbers and N represents the natural numbers. So now we have to write this symbolical statement in words. It is given in symbolical manner. Now we have to write down in words. Words में लिखना है हमें. So over here this symbol, okay, means belongs to, and this means does not belongs to. Okay, so let's start. Now 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. Q, that means over here Q stands for rational number. So how will we write down in words? That means 4 upon 3 is an element. Okay, belongs to, that means 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. So this is how it is written in words. Next is minus 2 does not belong to N. That means it is not an element of set N. That means minus 2 is not an element of set N. Next, okay, here it is given in rule method, we have to write down in words. Here set P consists of P, that is element P, which is an odd number. That means we can write it down it as set P is a, this set P is a set of all P's such that, what is the condition? Such that P is an odd number. Question number 3 जो है, that is open ended question. That means students can write any set, any two set on their own. That means write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. Okay, so first we'll write down in listing method. I've already written, that is set A consists of numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ये जो है वो listing method में है. The same we will write it down in rule method. Okay. Now we have to identify first what is the pattern which I have written over here. So in this rule method, we'll consider this as all the elements as x. Okay. Then over here these numbers are natural numbers. So that means x belongs to natural numbers. We have to specify in the rule that x belongs to natural numbers. Then after that we have to see that we have considered numbers from 2 till 7. That means x over here is less than or equal to 7, or it is greater than or equal to 2. So this is the condition. Or else you can write it down as x, where x belongs to natural number, where x is less than 8 है because यहाँ पे 7 है, and it is greater than 1. Of course it is greater than 1. So between 1 and 8 we have this set of natural numbers over here. So this is how it is written in rule method. You can write down any other example as well. So it is not compulsory. So वहाँ पे 2 examples लिखने बोला है. So we have written the first example. The second example we'll write it down as, suppose now over here I will write it down 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 16, 4 5s are 20. So now you must have understood these all are natural number. So we'll write it down in, this is listing method. Now the same we will write it down in rule method. That means set B consists of P, where P is a natural number. You can write it down in this manner as well, or you can write it down in this way also. P is a natural number from 1 to 22 which is divisible by 4. All the numbers are divisible by 4 because they are multiples of 4. So hence we are done with listing method and rule method. Like this you can write down any two examples. Question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. So we have to list all the elements for which the question is written. All months in the Indian solar year. So we'll consider it as set A. Let us write down the names of all the months in the Indian solar year. First is Chaitra, then year Vaishakha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapad, Ashwina, Kartika. So all these are years of Indians. Most of them they are confused when they write it down January, February. So that is completely incorrect. So over here this is the correct answer. So here we have written all the months in the Indian solar year. So now second one, letters in the word complement. So we have to list all the elements. So we'll consider set B, curly bracket, and we'll write down the letters in the word complement. So we all know that we are not supposed to repeat the elements. So one by one we'll write it down. C. So we are done with C. Then O, M. Now we have two M over here. So we'll write it only once. P, L. Again we have two E, so we'll write only one. N, then T. So these are this is the set of the word complement. Next, third one, set of human sensory organs. So we have to write down, list all the set of human sensory organs. So these are nose, ears, eyes, tongue, and skin. Done. Then next, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So we have to write down, we'll consider it as D. So you can consider any alphabet. We have to write down prime numbers from 1 to 20. So the smallest, we'll start with the smallest, that is 2. Then 3, 4 is not a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 8 is not a prime number, again 9, 10, both are not prime numbers. Next, 11 is a prime number, 12 is not a prime number, 13 is a prime number, then 14, 15 is not a prime number, 17, and then 19. So the condition was between 1 to 20, so we'll write it down only till 19. Names of the continents of the world. So we have 7 continents of the world. So let us consider this set as A. We'll name it as set E. Asia, Africa, then North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. So this is the last question of the practice set 1.1. Write the following sets using rule method. So question number 4 was based on writing the sets using listing method. Now this is the opposite, that is we have to write, it is already given in listing method all the sets. Now we have to write down in rule method. So we'll name this as set A again. If set A is given, we have to consider only the same set. We cannot change the name of the set. Now let us first understand what is the rule behind this given set. First thing we can notice is these all are natural numbers. So we all know these are natural numbers. Next is all the numbers are squares. That is the square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4. So from the square of 1 we have till the square of 10. So that means we know that these all are natural numbers and these all are squares. So let us write down the rule. So we'll consider these all elements as x. कोई भी एक वेरिएबल कंसिडर करना है, आई एम कंसिडरिंग इट एज x. Then x is equal to n square. Okay, why n square? Because here n belongs to natural number. These all are x and n is nothing but it belongs to natural. That means 1. The square of 1 over here, that means, say for example, the square of 1 will give us 1. The square of 2, that is, will give us 4, and so on. Wherein this n, all these n, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10, they belong to natural numbers. And this n is less than or equal to 10. We all know that the natural number starts from 1. So no need to write down that they are greater than or equal to 1. So that means this n is less than or equal to 10. Because यहाँ पे end में we have the square of 10. That is why n less than or equal to 10. So the first one is done. Now second one. Again we'll see what are the rules. These are natural numbers. But these are not squares unlike this, right? So these are, as you can see, these are the multiples of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. That means ये सारे जो natural number है, these are multiples of 6. So again we'll consider a variable. मैं यहाँ पे x ही consider करूँगी. You can change the variable. Again x is equal to how much? 6n. Wherein this n belongs to natural number. That means 6 into ये n की वैल्यू अगर हम 1 ले तो we will get 6x as 6 1s are 6. If we take the value of n as 2, so 6 2s are, we will get 12, and so on. We will keep on multiplying till 8. So that means here n belongs to natural number and n is less than or equal to 8. Next, here as you can see a word is formed S-M-I-L-E, that means smile, correct? So this word is formed. That means this set consists of the letters of the word smile. So we can write it down. C is a set which consists of Y as an element and Y is a letter. All this will be considered as Y. Y is a letter of the word, or you can write Y is in the word smile. Next, okay, this one is very easy. Set D consists of all the days of a week from Sunday till Saturday. So it becomes easy. We know the rule. What is the rule? Here, set D, we'll name it as Z. Z is all this as Z. Z is a day of the week. So this was very easy. Okay, now here 3 letters are given. So these letters together can form the word T या फिर 8, correct? Or we can write it down as eat. So any 3. So it consists of letter in the word either T, 8 or eat. So any one we can write it down, or all the 3 we can write it down. So X consists of the element Y, whereas Y is a letter in the word eat or tea or ate. So here we are done with all the questions from practice set 1. But before you solve this practice set 1.1, it is important to understand the meaning of the word set, and also to understand what are the rules for writing set, and kindly watch the video, introduction video of this set.